مرحبا الصف الأول، كيف حالكم؟ اليوم today is Sunday الأحد 5/4/2020. Before we start, let's give you an overview about your Arabic learning for today. At the end of my class, I expect you, my lovely students, to be able to say and write our new sound, which is sound. And to do that, you can write in your home learning book, or you can write on the whiteboard, or you can ask an adult to help you to write on the screen using writing repeater. And then you need to take a photo and share it with me in the seesaw because I'm always there waiting for you. But now, let's enjoy listening to our lovely song, Marhaban.
مرحبا
أهلا
أنا اسمي آدم، ما اسمك؟
أنا اسمي سارة، كيف حالك؟
أنا بخير، وأنتِ؟
أنا بخير، شكرا.
عفوا، مرحبا
أهلا،
ما اسمك؟
ما اسمك؟
كيف حالك؟
كيف حالك؟
أنا بخير،
أنا بخير،
أنا بخير،
أنا بخير،
نحن بخير.
Before starting new sound, let's revise sounds we have learned before. Say the sound and use your body to show how it's written. First, الحروف اللئيمة. The mean sounds are أ ر ز و د ذ. Next, حروف الأمواج. The wavy sounds ن ب ت ث ي. Next, الحروف المضحكة funny sounds خ ح ج م ه. And lastly, حروف كن هادئا shh, be quiet sounds س ش ص ض. And our new sound for today is f. Do it. I can say f sound. Use it. I can write f sound. On it, I can blend the f sound in words.
Learn how to say the sound of letter correctly. You need to watch my mouth. I will come closer. My turn. Did you notice that my upper teeth touch my lower lip? Your turn. Who is here? My little Jack. Marhaban. But Jack, he's combing his hair with فرشاة. فرشاة. Jack wants me to do for him فشار. فشار. Yippee! Jack is escaping from فأر. فأر. شكرا Jack. You have got something to my students to learn فأر. فشار. فرشاة. I'm going to watch movie with Jack. With a popcorn. مع السلام. Oh, wait. My lesson didn't finish. I will complete and then I will go with Jack. Let's learn how to write sound using writing repeater. Click here to choose the lines. Good lines. Arabic starts from right side. Well done. Sounds start with short line, tear around, touch the red line, flick and dot. Finger space. Short line, tear around, touch the red line, flick and dot. Finger space. Short line, tear around, touch the red line, flick and dot. After you finish, you can just click here, play, watch your handwriting. If you did any mistake, just click new and you can repeat your work. Remember to take a photo for writing to share it in the seesaw. My little Jack is here in our blending class. But you know, my students, he has a problem. He can say the sounds, but he can't blend the sounds and say the words. For that, you are going to help him. Okay, Jack, first one. E, L. Okay, my students? Feel. Feel. Well done. أحسنتم. Next one, Jack. F, D. My students? فهد. فهد. Well done. أحسنتم. Last one, Jack. F, ش, R. My lovely students? فشار. فشار. Well done. Keep it up.
And finally, you have an optional activities. You can write a sentence using the pictures of the sound for today. Like, أنا أحب فهد. I love cheetah. Or you can create your own mask for one of the animals that starts with th sound. شكرا لكم الصف الأول. مع السلامة.